Hi, hi Windows user. I am the Windows doctor. Uh, Welcomes you in our new video. This video is particularly belongs to the users that getting the problem like which their microphones. Many users are complaining that their microphone is not working. So I will show you the two steps. Mainly from that you have that microphone issues like some users having the issues like low volume issue once they upgraded their Windows 10 to Windows 11, and many of the microphone related issues. I will show you in this video how to resolve that. The first matter that we are trying, that is the Windows troubleshooter. It's a very simple step that we need to search the settings, Windows, uh, like that, like this screen. You will get the window once you open the settings. Then my system is Windows 10. In your case also somewhat like same window you will get. Then click on update and security. Okay. Then in the left panel you can see there is a troubleshoot icon. In the left panel, just click over that icon. Okay. Now you can see in the right panel there is a additional troubleshooter words. You can click on that. Then you will get this window, additional troubleshooters window. Just scroll down. Now you can see there is a recording audio like icon. Just click over that icon, recording audio. Then you can see there is a run troubleshooter icon. Just click over that. Then our troubleshooter is running. uh, then we'll get some pop-up. In that pop-up we need to select the headset microphone. uh, in my case it's by default selected. Maybe if you are connected over the headset, then there will be others headset like uh, icon is selected in your case. Some different icon will be there, but we need to select manually the headset microphone, not headset. In my case the headset is connected. Then it's by default headset is connected, selected, but we need to run for the our system microphone. That's why I'm selecting stereo mix Realtek audio. uh, so it's a different icon, and it's not the default system's microphone. You can see in the third there is a microphone array AMD audio device. It's a my system's microphone, so I am selected that. If your headset having the microphone problem, you need to select the headset microphone. In other case, there will be the some Bluetooth headset having the uh, microphone problem. Then you will see the some different um, icon is here, but my Windows having the microphone issue, so I am selected that the microphone array icon and click on next. It will apply. It will say apply the fix. Click over there, and now my problem got fixed. You will get the green tick here. Click on close. Now restart your system and check whether your microphone problem is resolved or not. If that problem was not resolved in your case, okay, no issues. Then I will show you the second steps. Okay. uh, in the second step we need to search uh, for the drivers. We'll install the some for you some case. Suppose the users, Windows users upgraded their system Windows 10 to 11, and they are getting the uh, audio problem. Then that case we need to install the older version of the drivers, the Windows 10 drivers. Okay. Then that case we need to select my system is HP, that's why I am selecting the HP drivers. But for your case, the system may be the Lenovo, then you will search the Lenovo drivers. Okay, but my case it's a HP system, that's why I'm searching HP drivers. Okay, I'm clicking over that. Okay, I will close this. You will get that icon if your system is desktop or laptop. You need to select accordingly. My system is laptop, that's why I'm selecting the laptop. Here, this one here you can see the icon like enter your serial number. So I will enter my serial number. Uh, I don't know my serial number. So in your case also, you also don't know this serial number. That not a big issue. You will search the command CMD as in your Windows, then run it as admin. Okay, click on yes button. You can see. Then click this command W make BIOS get serial number. You can see this command. Click enter. Then the command in result, I will get my serial number. Just copy that serial number. I copied my serial number. Okay. Here it's want the submit or close it accordingly. I will close this. Enter this serial number. Click on submit. Then you, you will get this like icon. For the HP Dell users, you can choose in a same way by entering your serial number. Just it will ask your OS version. Click on because we are installing the Windows 10 degraded drivers, so manually click on Windows 10. The Lenovo users also you need to click on the select the by default Windows 10. For Dell, same. My system is 20T-H2, uh, not 21H2, but no need to collect over that. Just click on Windows 10, 64-bit, the first one, and click on submit. Okay, here you can see the this icon. Just click on that plus icon, all drivers. You need to select the driver audio. Click on that. Just then you can see there is one the first driver is there. Just click on download. Click on okay, get started. Okay, it will ask some. No, it's not the right way. Sorry about that. We'll try again. We'll close this. Click on submit. Okay, uh, we are selecting the those 64-bit. Okay, click on drivers, audio drivers, download. No thanks, I will click on no thanks. I will install and download manually. Then it will start the downloading the driver which we selected. It's a 85.6 MB file. It's downloading. Just it will take maximum 10 seconds. If your internet speed is good, then click on open file. It will then click on S icon, then click on next, click on accept the terms and license, next, click on next. Then it will the file is getting installing in my system. Okay, uh, the new command like window is open in my case. Just wait for 5 minutes to get install the drivers. uh, then restart your system and check whether. I hope your problem is getting resolved by this. Thank you. Stay tuned.